breaking news coming in. The Supreme Court has ordered the removal of stray dogs from the premises of educational institutions, sports facilities, hospitals, bus stands, railway stations, etc., and directed them to be shifted to dog shelters. The Supreme Court has said that they should not be released at the same spot from where the stray dogs have been picked up. This is another landmark order coming in from the Supreme Court on the stray dogs issue, where the Supreme Court has put out a very clear directive saying that when it comes to public places, especially premises of educational institutions, sports facilities, hospitals, bus stands, railway stations, and all these areas that are heavily congregated, that see a lot of public, they should certainly be cleared. Strays from all these areas must be picked up, they must be moved to dog shelters, and they should not be released at the same spot again. They should be left elsewhere. Let me take this to my colleague Anisha Mathur to get further details on the critical Supreme Court order. Anisha.
Well, Suyesha, let's take a look at what the court has said clearly. First of all, remember the animal birth control rules are very clear that in any public spaces, stray dogs must be picked up, sterilized, and then put back to where they came from. But now the Supreme Court has passed specific directions for specific identified areas. Remember, these are educational institutions, sports facilities, hospitals, railway stations, and bus stands, where there have been multiple cases of dog bites. Now, the court has said in these identified specific areas, dogs will not be sent back where they came from after sterilization. They must be kept in the shelters. Secondly, what the court has said is that for educational institutions, particularly schools and sports facilities, as well as hospitals and government institutions, the municipal authorities must ensure fencing of these areas so that stray dogs do not even come inside to these particular areas, so that there is no further problem of stray dogs coming in. Thirdly, what the court has said is about stray cattle, which is also a very important aspect that the Rajasthan High Court had raised, that from highways and expressways, cattle must be rounded up and sent to shelters. And there needs to be 24/7 helplines and patrols on the highways. Back to you.
All right, Anisha, many thanks for getting us those details.